So I recently did a post on our social media, and it was saying that I didn't really care for the fact that many salons uphold white beauty standards, and this person decided to be a bot and try to school me about the fact that using those references lumps white people all together, which it doesn't, and that it was racist, when in fact it isn't. And I wasn't gonna respond, mainly because this person is not really worth my time, but I am responding because there are many people who have this mindset. So when Samoa was colonized by the Germans, by the New Zealanders, by the Americans, by the English, by anyone who had ever set foot that did not belong in Samoa. So when they came, they brought with them the mindset that Samoans were less than they were because of the language they spoke, because of the color of their skin, because of the texture of their hair, because of the wideness of their nose, because our bodies were made differently. And this is what I mean by white beauty standards. We are beautiful with our brown skin. We are beautiful with our curly hair. We are beautiful with our taro thighs and our wide noses. When colonizers came, they made us think that we were less than that we were not beautiful, that we needed to have straight hair, that we needed to have pale skin, that we needed to speak English, that we needed to have thin noses and skinny thighs, have that thigh gap. But we didn't, and we don't. And that is the white beauty standards that I am talking about. I'm not saying every white person looks the same. I'm saying your ancestor colonizers came to our country and made us feel like we were less than, and made us feel less beautiful, and that our features were not beautiful. And that is what I'm trying to say. We are beautiful. We don't need your white beauty standards, and you can take your racism and teach it to your president and whoever else is racist, and tell them that being brown, having curly hair, having thick thighs and a wide nose is beautiful. And I don't need to be white. I don't need your whitening skin products brought to my country. Just stop upholding white beauty standards. Everyone is beautiful the way they are. No one is more beautiful or less beautiful than the other. Stop comparing. Stop making anyone feel less than they are. And that's all. I wasn't being racist. Fuck.